Hey folks, Evan here at Eldorado RV. Today I'm going to take you through this 2023 Forest River Sunseeker MBS, that's Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2400B. Let's go have a look. Here we are, the 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2400B on the MBS, that's Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Really gorgeous full body paint. You see we've got the huge awning out for you guys. Dual pane frameless windows the whole way around. Really nice. We got outdoor entertainment. Nice big storage compartment there. And something I forgot to show you here, we've got blind spot cameras. So you got a backup cam and blind spot cameras. I'll show you that on the screen inside later. For now, let's continue around the outside. Again, huge awning with the LED strip underneath. We've got outdoor speakers. It's nice and short, nothing crazy. Your generator's on the other side, so it's quiet over here. Got some outdoor plugs. There is your blind spot monitors, and then we've got the cameras that we talked about up there. Nice rear cap with your backup cam. And we've got your hitch here. So that's a 5,000 pound towing capacity, 500 pound vertical tongue weight. You can also see underneath here your auto level system. You can see the two jacks for the rear back there. You can see your tanks with the pads. And let's continue along this side here. So it's a 30 amp service, single AC. We've got solar. Outdoor shower here. This guy is your sewer hose storage. And then there's your outlet connection, generator exhaust. Your generator's in that compartment there, which I'll go around and I'll show you all the compartments open later on. So we proceed along the side. Single slide with a slide topper. Big windows. They've done storage in the slide, which is quite nice, and you've got access to your seat belts here. And motors and whatnot for your 12 volt theater seats. Keep going. Really nice. You've also got this step up front, which gives you easy access under the hood when you're doing whatever you gotta do. Fog lights. Now let's head on inside. Let's start with the electric step. Then we've got your battery box and a safe there. So it's a little safe. You can fit, important items, phones, keys, whatever you want in there. Let's say you're going to the beach or you're going for a walk, you want to lock your stuff up, stick it in there. And over here we've got all your controls, your auto level control, battery disconnect, outside lights, your awning control, nice little motion activated kick light there, and then your solar power remote right there. Flip up countertop as well. There's your 12 volt theater seating as we walk in. Cabinets up above. There's your kitchen, solid surface countertops. You got a pull down faucet. Really nice 2-burner Dometic stove. Put that down with a glass top. Got MCD pull down shades the whole way around. Euro style cabinets up top. Your control panel here. So this has the Arctic pack. That means you've got 12 volt heat pads on your tanks. So nice to have there. Your light switches, outside light. So that's for like docking. That's on that side. And your slide control here. Then we got your generator control. That's a 3600 watt propane generator. Tank monitors, all of that. Radio controls. Up here, we've got a 12 volt TV on an arm, so that can swing all the way out if I didn't have the cushion in the way. You've got windows up top in the bunks. There's your booster seats for the swivel driver and passenger seats there. And there's a good bit of storage up here as well. There we are. Now into the chassis. This being the Sprinter, it is cushy. It's very, very nice. There's tons of storage. We got electric seats, heated seats, a nice easy clean like rubberized plastic floor. And like I said, there's tons of storage in the dash. You got plugs and everything you could ever need up there, really. And it is quite nice to drive. It's really, really quiet. That is one of the biggest benefits to having something like this as opposed to something with the new V8 or the old Ford V10. It is super quiet. Very, very nice. And I'll show you later what everything looks like opened up with the bunk closed. We got the seats swiveled. Now, again, back to these 12-volt theater seats. So they move quick. And being 12 volt, that means you can run it just off battery power. And they go really far out. They go much farther than that, actually. We got some USBs there for charging. These nice little TV dinner tables. In the back here, we've got your light switch for the lights under the cabinets. Big window. Just a little storage compartment there. And then we've got some charging ports and 120 volt. Then into the back, got your 12 volt fridge with more than enough space. Plenty of storage space. You've even got these nice little drink trays here, which I really appreciate those. And just a little simple lock there. Then this one has a pantry here, which I'll show you opened up later. We've got a split bed. So when the slide comes in, this actually stays right here where it is. Slide comes in, bed lifts up and over. Huge wardrobe back here with tons of space. We've got 2 windows over the bed and reading lights. There's also some nice storage compartments there. Then we head on into the bathroom here. Towel rack on the back of the door. Nice sink with a cover, plenty of storage. Me, hello. Big medicine cabinet. Again, there's tons of storage in there. And a big spacious shower with a skylight, so even if you're taller than average, you can fit in this shower and be comfortable. I've also got some towel hooks that they pre-installed, which is really nice. That's thoughtful. A lot of stuff, you don't see that in a lot of things. So that is your bathroom. And I should mention, you also have plugs on the sink. And so another thing you don't see all that frequently, but it's really nice to have. So we'll close that up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open everything up in here and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Okay, here we are. I've got everything opened up. There's your storage above the cabinets. Sorry, above the kitchen. We've got your flip up countertop, some drawers and storage under the sink. This is your fully extended recliners, the storage up top. And I've pulled the bunk cover down, so it's just this cover. You slide it up when you're in transit so you're not hitting your head getting in and out. Swiveled the seats around, so once they're swiveled you can still use the door controls to move them electrically. And they come with these nice little booster seats that clip on underneath the seat so that your knees aren't hitting you in the face when you're sitting in your chair. So that's really nice because there's quite a big step up there. So those booster seats help, plus you can electrically raise the seats up and down. And over here, we've got your pantry, pull-out drawers, nice high-quality drawer slides, high-quality drawers. So you get tons of space in there and some nice shelving down underneath. So we close that up. Then in the back, of course, is this massive wardrobe. I left the middle one closed because it's the same thing, but Huge hanging space the whole way across with the 3 doors. You got 2 really big, deep drawers. And then another bit of storage there. Plus we've still got the storage over there. So that's what it looks like with everything opened up. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, you've got the skylight above the theater seating, so that helps get a lot of natural light in here. It's really nice. Plus you got the speakers, of course. Got a nice big extraction fan and your AC unit here. There we are. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this all up, close the slide, and I will show you what it looks like closed up inside. Okay, here we are. I've got it all closed up. So you can see you've still got plenty of walking space. And you can fully access the bathroom even with slide closed. Plus, your bedding, it's really nice. Your bedding just comes up and over. When you put the slide out, it basically just makes the bed for you. So I've also got the ignition on now because you got to have that on to put the slide in. So you can see your cameras. So that's the top one's your backup camera. The left bottom one is your left side. The right one is your right side. Looks like that because I've got the door open, that's all. There you can see that really nice big screen. And don't mind the flashing. That's just because of the camera. But you can hear how quiet it is in here. It's really, really quiet. I'm talking quite lightly. And the highway over there is louder than this. Now I'm going to show you the outside and all the compartments. Okay, here we are on the outside. Everything closed up. Awnings sucked up. And I'll walk to the other side. We've got the slide closed, ready to go. So with the slide closed, you have access to all the compartments. So the 2 that I showed you earlier, plus your propane, which doesn't have a lock on it. There's your propane. And then this one, whoopsie. This one's the same as the one on the other side. You got a drain plug and it's rotocast plastic, so easy to clean. And you've got some service access there as well. Close that up, slam latch doors, and then this one's your generator, which I'll pop open here. There you are, there's your generator access right there. And next to your generator, you've got your pulls for your gray and your black. Nice and tucked away, keep it looking nice. And then again, all your outdoor shower, your hookups, everything there. There we are, the 2023 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400B. Come on down and check it out.